Hello, Sola. Here is your Unit 4 test. Just a few corrections for you to go over, and again, I will do a separate video for each page of the test. This will be the last assignment that I'm going to mark for now until you have handed in the assignments for Unit 1, the prerequisite skills. I believe there's one for Unit 3. I give you a list. I sent you a list in a previous Dropbox. So all those assignments need to come in, and then you need to write the midterm exam, which is the exam on the calculus portion of the course. And that takes us up to the end of Unit 4. After that, the last part of the course is on vectors, and that's Unit 5 and 6. So I'm going to leave the assignment that you submitted in Unit 5 until we get to the vectors unit so we don't get too confused. So question 1, what you want to do here is the exponent 3, is going to come out and get multiplied in front by the 2, and that's where we get the 6. And then we reduce the exponent by 1, so now we have exponent 2, and then we multiply by the derivative of sine x, which is cos x. And then on the right-hand side, the derivative of cosine is negative sine, so negative times negative is a positive. And then the 3 is multiplied by the derivative of 4x, which is 4. That's how I got 12 here, so 12 sine 4x. All right, for question, question B. Again, I mentioned this in a previous assignment that you're doing your product rule in reverse order, and that's going to affect your quotient rule, although it didn't in D, I noticed, so that's good. The answer is technically correct. It's just that it's a bad habit to get into because it's going to create problems for you when you're doing quotient rule. The other thing that you can do to nicely finish this off would be to factor out a common factor of 2x, and you would have cos of 4x plus 7 minus 2x sine 4x plus 7 in the other bracket. So that's a little bit nicer, a little bit more simplified form. For C, you've got your derivatives correct. Again, I'd like for you to reverse the order so that you don't get confused. And again, one more step that you could do here to simplify would be to factor out the common factor of e to the x times cos x minus sine x. For part D, you did this correctly, and I'm glad to see that you are doing the product or the quotient rule in the correct order. You did u prime v minus v prime u over v squared, and that's perfect, and you ended up with the right answer there, so well done. I'm going to go on now and make a separate video for page 2 of the assignment.